Hey everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Christina and I go over all of the best deals at Walgreens each week. I share all the deals that I find as well as the best grocery deals going on each week. Don't be concerned by how few things you see on this table. There are actually quite a few deals that I'm going to share with you, but I went to the store this morning. I was going to shop in-store because there were a couple of register reward deals I was going to do. None of the digital coupons came off at the register. Now, last week, the same thing happened. I went earlier on a Sunday, so before noon. None of my digital coupons came off at the register. Now, if I put those same items in my cart online, the coupons came off. But if I tried to do it in-store, none of the coupons came off. And a number of people said the same thing happened to them. So this week, I went a little bit later, but still none of my digital coupons came off at the register, which is why you don't see a bunch of items here, because I don't want the items if the digital coupons are not going to work. Yes, I know I could call customer service, but I don't want to have to do that. So I put the items back and I'm planning to go maybe tomorrow and see if they work in store. I know that's super frustrating, but hey, that's Walgreens and you gotta really want it if you're shopping at Walgreens. So I'm going to tell you the deals that I found and then how I was planning to shop using my spin booster of spend 40, get $8 back in Walgreens cash, because that was my plan. So I'm going to tell you all of that here in this video. At the end of the video, I will show you pictures of items that I found on clearance while I was in the store. Now, this deal I've talked about multiple times. It is on the Hallmark cards. They are on promotion. For buy two, you're going to get a $5 coupon back on a future Hallmark purchase of $5 or more. So the first time you purchase the cards, purchase any card you want, it just has to be not the 99-cent cards. So there are some that are 2 for $4, there are some that are 2 for $5. You purchase them, you get a $5 coupon that prints at the register that you can use on your next purchase of $5 or more. Pick up 2 more cards priced at 2 for $5, hand them that coupon. Total is $0, and you get another $5 coupon back. So once you've purchased those first 2, you can just keep rolling this and keep getting free cards. Now, I want to say the promotion said it lasted until August 1st or August 7th. If I can find the picture, I'll pop it up here on the screen, but it's still going this week, so snag yourself some free or really inexpensive Hallmark cards. So that's one deal. Another deal is on the Dove product. So the Dove body wash for women, the Dove body wash for men, or the soap. They are $7 a piece. You want to buy 2 of them. That's $14. There is a $7 digital coupon. So you're going to pay $7 at the register, but when you buy 2, you get a $3 register reward back, making it $4 for both of them or just $2 each. Now, this is one of those deals where if you do it in store, you're going to get the register reward. If you do it for curbside, you are going to get Walgreens cash. So I love that, but it doesn't work that way on all the register reward deals. This just happens to be one that if you do it online for curbside, you're going to get the $3 back in Walgreens cash. So that's one deal to check out this week. Another one, let's talk about the Oral-B and the Crest. So last week I tried the Crest 3D white toothpaste, priced at $3. They are marked buy 2 get a $3 register reward. That $3 register reward did not print, okay? So I would suggest doing the Vivid toothbrushes priced at $3. They're on promotion this week. Buy 2 get a $3 register reward, but there's also a digital. So 3 and 3 is 6 minus the $3 digital. You'll pay $3. Get back a $3 register reward, making them both free. This one you have to do in store to be able to get that $3 back. Now, let me tell you about the laundry care deal that I was planning to do, then how I was going to use that spend 40, get 8 digital booster. So the Tide Downy and Bounce, I don't even know what I just said, but it wasn't right. Tide, Downy, and Bounce, they are buy 4, get a $5 register reward. They are all priced at $5.49 each. So we're going to buy 4 of them at $5.49. Now, use whatever digitals you have for whichever products you want. My plan was to get the Downy Unstoppables because I had a $2 digital, which was my highest value digital. The Bounce because I had a $1.05 digital. The Downy with a $1 digital, and the Tide Liquid with a $1.50 digital. That would leave me to pay $16.41 for all 4 of those items in store. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.41 for all 4 products, or just $2.85 each. Now, to make that deal even better, what I was going to do for that spend 40, get 8, I was going to combine the 3 deals I just told you about. The 4 Downy Bounce Tide products, the 2 Dove, and the toothbrushes. Okay, so if I put all 3 of those deals together, I would pay $26.41 out of pocket, get back $8 for spending 40 with my booster, the $3 register reward for the Dove, the $3 register reward for the toothbrushes, the $5 register reward for the Tide products, making it $7.41 for all of those items, or just 92 cents per item. So that's a really great deal. But of course I didn't do it because none of my digitals came off, and this had a $7 digital alone, and I wasn't gonna mess with it. So I just put my items back, and I'll try it at a later time. Now, other deals you want to check out this week, the grocery deals. The Coke, Sprite, and Fanta, they are 3 for $14.99. That makes it $4.99 for a 12-pack of soda. The ginger ale, A&W, and 7-Up, a little bit cheaper. Those are 3 for $13.99, making it $4.66 per 12-pack. The old El Paso products are on sale, buy one, get one free. There's also a $1 digital. That always works curbside. I don't know if it always works in store. Some people have said that it does. I've always had trouble getting it to come off with just 2 items with the BOGO sale in store, but it works beautifully for curbside. So if you purchase I believe this was the refried beans at $2.29, purchase 2 of them, $2.29 will come off for the buy one, get one free sale. The $1 digital will come off, leaving you to pay 64 cents per can. Now, if you want to do the Old El Paso seasoning, you can get 2 of those at $1.29 minus the buy one, get one free sale. That makes them 64 cents each. The cashews, I always get these when these are on sale. These were $2.98 a piece. The almonds are $3.99, but they're buy one, get one free. That makes them $1.99 per pack. That's cheaper than I can get it at my grocery store. Pringles are still buy one, get one free at $3.49 each. That makes them just $1.74 after the sale. The Ballpark hot dogs are $5.99, buy one, get one free. That makes them just $2.99 each. Skippy peanut butter is on sale 2 for $5. And the Kellogg's cereal is 3 for $5.99, or just $1.99 each. So those are the best grocery deals that I found. Overall, I don't feel like it was a fabulous week. Hopefully something will pop up midweek or later in the week with better coupons or better rebate offers, and we can put together something a little bit better than what I found today. But I was excited about the Dove, the Vivid, and the Tide deal. It just didn't execute correctly because the digitals weren't coming off. Now, there are a few codes you can try. You can try Fast 10 if you're doing a curbside order. You can try Haul 10. You can try Haul 20, and that's over a $40 personal care purchase. That one would apply. Let's see if there's anything else that I wanted to mention. I think that was it. My son kicked off his show on, what's today? Sunday, so Friday. So he had a show Friday night. He was fabulous. He looks like a star. I just love watching him perform. He's actually performing right now while I'm making this video, and so my mom is there watching that show. He actually got, and this is crazy, last night he got an offer to be in a local movie as an extra, not like a featured role or anything, but as an extra, which is so cool, but we had to say no to it because he has other things going on. But how neat is that? I'm so excited for him. All right, so at the end of the video right now, I'm going to post pictures of clearance pictures that I found while I was in the store. Hope you guys have a great week. Thanks.